31B ang nawala. But I think isa sa pinakakailangan natin ngayon, yung DSWD. So I can go on and on, Mr. President. But if we're going to say full transparency at eto na yung committee work, wouldn't it be fair that malaman natin? Kasi like ako, ni isa dito, wala akong amendment. Ni isa dito. But I'm a member of all the committees and subcommittee. But no one ever, I was invited to all the briefings, but I was never invited to make the amendments here. So I was thinking, may committee amendments ngayon, and then we can discuss it and vote on it, di ba?
Actually, ang nangyari pong process ay because this is a revenue measure, so it emanated from the lower house. At nagkaroon ho tayo ng mga budget briefings, and then nagpadala ho tayo ng notice to everyone in writing that a technical working group will be formed. And may mga senators na nagpadala ng mga amendments sila. Yung mga staff rin ng mga senators were also there para mag-share nung kanilang mga inputs kung gusto nilang mag-amend. And then at the same time, the Vice Chairman also submitted their committee reports, yung subcommittee reports.
Bill.
Yes.
So,
sorry, it's an appropriation bill.
So
sorry.
the same, kasi chairman ka rin ng
Ways and Means.
So the same process, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah. It's,
okay. But the thing is,
bill.
you're talking about the amendment from the GAP, not the amendment from the committee report. And if so be it, kung yun po ang pleasure ng majority at yun ang proseso. But di ba, sabi nga po, you cannot be half a gangster. You're either a gangster or not, di ba? You cannot be half a person who believes in values, di ba? You believe in it or not. So either we believe in transparency or not. So if we're going to ask members now to propose their individual, maliliit yun eh. So hindi ba dapat malaman natin kung sino ang nag-propose ng mga to at ang proseso? Kasi before 2022 wala naman unprogrammed eh, 'di ba? So pero ang committee report nakalagay dito, binawasan lang ng 68 billion ang unprogrammed, 174 billion ang natira sa unprogrammed. So that's what I'm saying. If we had a meeting after Friday or a caucus, we could have voted whether or not tingin natin may unprogrammed funds o hindi. But if it's your pleasure, we do that sa individual, that means you will allow us to do the individual and then to give a pretext. So for example, Mr. Chairman, I can move later on to take out the unprogrammed funds as an individual amendment. Is that correct, Mr. Chairman?
Well then, dahil ngayon po ay submission ng mga amendments. So the committee will welcome yung mga individual amendments sa mga members natin.
Last point, Mr. President, because I don't want to belabor. What I'm saying is that it's an extraordinary budget with extraordinary problems. So dapat extraordinary din yung solution. So ang problema, ipapakita natin sa tao yung maliliit natin amendments at kung sino nagpro-propose nito at kung tatanggapin o hindi. Pero yung kalalaking amendments, hindi nating i-reveal sa tao kung sino ang nag-propose.
Actually ho, yung technical working group, doon ho natin pinag-usapan itong mga amendments. Inipon-ipon ho namin yung mga amendments, inipon-ipon ho namin mga recommendations. Marami ho tayong mga senador na nagpadala po ng kanilang mga recommendations. So doon namin inipon-ipon po yung mga amendments.
And that's not a problem, Mr. President. Kasi even if you look at the rules, amendment comes after the debate is closed. So lumalabas, baliwala yung 11 days natin na debate eh.
Hindi naman. Kasi yung mga napag-usapan natin, like for example, maraming mga napag-usapan at gusto pang i-amend yung committee report, it will come in the form of individual amendments.
Yes,
which we will...
But when it comes in the form of individual amendments, first of all, tatagal. So for example, if I have 100 amendments, and let's say 5 of them are important to me, I mean, life or death to me, I will ask for nominal voting. Pero kung nag-meet ang committee or may sistema ang committee na kung saan pinasok sa committee report, committee amendments, then we don't have to go through 100. That's why in the previous systems, Mr. Chairman, I'm trying to be brief, but trying to explain it well, so I apologize to our